Yo, good day, investors. I am welcoming you to Lekki Aviation Town, one of the fastest growing estates you ever come across around Lekki corridor. Right here, we have the Tebingpe view. This axis, we have the Grandview Cinema duplex, and at the back of this beautiful duplex, we have the Ashake Cottage duplex. Lekki Aviation Town is directly facing the new proposed Lekki Airport, making it a prime location for both home ownership and investment. Actively working every day non-stop in this location, and Unit 8 of the Grandview Cinema duplex is already sold out. Working every day non-stop in Lekki Aviation. Right here in this axis, we have two blocks of 4-unit terrace. And this is the block 1, and right there is the block 2 of the ongoing 4-unit terrace in Lekki Aviation Town. Block 1 of this axis is already at coaching level, and in a few weeks time you can check back, and I'm very sure this will be getting a decking reinforcement, and the block 2 is already at reinforcement level, getting decking construction in a few days. Hello, ma'am. Emma, we're getting fine, Father. I love you. Wow, let's see what's going on out there. So, wow. decking reinforcement is ongoing. In a few days time, check back. Okay, I think I need to take us over there to the 5 unit terrace and see what's going on up there. Let's go. Please, can I step on this board? Okay. Yeah, I don't want to follow. Just okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lekki Aviation Town is one of the fastest growing estates we ever come across around Lekki Aziz. Wow. Four-bedroom duplex plus BQ pre-sale price is going for 298 million naira, and 3-bedroom terrace plus BQ is going for 137 million naira. And down there we have the 12-unit bungalow. Let's take a walk. If you have not been following my page, you have been missing out on this opportunity. I'm bringing life to your FYP. Yeah. Walking every day non-stop in Lekki Aviation Town. Someone already fencing his plot, securing it. Very wise. I don't know the project this person is about to build here. as the 5-unit terrace. Look at the good road access right from the gate. Let me try today and make this video up to the drainage system up there. I'm tired already, dude. And right here we have the 12-unit bungalow. Wow, I told you, actively working every day non-stop in Lekki Aviation Town. On a contracteur no pay on a. On a contractor no pay on a. Money no dey ever reach on a. If they no pay on a, go dey work. Very frustrating people. Look at the good road network, making every movement easy and sweet for both cars and walkway. Let's go to the drainage system. Oh my god, it's been a while I made a video up to the drainage system, but let's go there. Look at this. This is absolutely sweet. Right here we have 4-unit terrace, currently at lintel construction level. Look at the road. Wow. I think there is an ongoing road grading here. Now let's go to the drainage system. Oh my god, this is a long walk. This is Lekki Aviation Town. This estate is directly facing the new proposed airport. Making it a prime location for home ownership and smart investment. And there are still plots available for residential area and commercial area. We have 300 square meter and 500 square meter for residential area and 1000 square meter for commercial area. Last week was our allocation at that end. Let me see, maybe I can get there. So I don't know, there is something like this here. Just how many weeks? Just a week. And there is a gated fence here. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Could you all believe, since we have done our allocation, our land allocation, I have not been here, and it's just a week and a few days, and there is an ongoing construction here. Wow. Let's see. Drainage system. Well done.
You do the video, you will give us money.
Well done, though. And I too like money. Ah!
You don't like money.
Okay, money, well done, sir. As if we won't use billing finish. Wow. Well done, sir. Trust me, in a few weeks time I'll come back and make a video of the ongoing coverage going on there. then you see how fast Lekki Aviation Town is fast growing. Land is still available for sale in this location. If you have any interest, let me know.